हे एवरीवन, वार्म वेलकम टू अनदर वीडियो। आज वापस से एनालिसिस करने वाले हैं निफ्टी बैंक निफ्टी के वीकली एनालिसिस जो मैं डालता हूं और काफ़ी लोग अप्रिशिएट भी करते हैं। थैंक यू फॉर योर सपोर्ट एंड वी हैव कंप्लीटेड 17,000 सब्सक्राइबर्स। 17,000 सब्सक्राइबर हो गए हमारे यूट्यूब पे। अगर आप लोगों का सपोर्ट रहा तो 1,70,000 17 लाख भी होंगे विद योर लव एंड सपोर्ट। चलते हैं वापस से अपने एनालिसिस की तरफ। अभी 4 दिन पहले मैंने यहां पर एक वीडियो डाला था कि यहां पर निफ्टी बैंक निफ्टी मोर फॉल क्या आ सकता है नहीं आ सकता। यहां पर मैंने लेवल डाले थे 4 दिन पहले और बिल्कुल एग्जैक्टली उन लेवल्स को यहां पर रिस्पेक्ट किया मार्केट ने। रीजन क्या था देखेंगे। बैंक निफ्टी निफ्टी में 5 दिन का एक वापस से मोमेंटम देखेंगे। बट बिफोर मूविंग अहेड, इफ यू हैव नॉट सब्सक्राइब टू द यूट्यूब चैनल, please subscribe to YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the notification instantly and watch the video smoothly. Okay, so as of now this week, आज की वीडियो हम लोग इंग्लिश में करने वाले हैं। So as of now this week was for a more momentum. Reason is Nifty was on a higher levels trying to break 15,000 whereas Bank Nifty was little bit subdued. Bank Nifty was on a little downside whereas Nifty was trying to make an upside. Now the question arises why there was so much difference in the directions of both. Okay, now the 2 or 3 reasons. Number 1 reason, the loan moratorium case. So what happens in this case? Supreme Court directs to refund the compound interest on interest collected between this period. Perfectly fine. So now this was a little income of banks which is not a income now, which is obviously going to reduce the PAT revenues and obviously the collected interest. So this is the reason which shows the drama in this bank nifty. Number 1. Number two major reason was the rally in the other sectors of Nifty. For example, if you take example of Nifty IT have been making higher highs, Mindtree, Infi, TCS, right, Wipro. Number 2 sector was the metal sector. You have already seen JSW Steel, Tata Steel making higher highs, and obviously not the last, the pharma. These 3 sectors have contributed a good enough to make the Nifty on a strong balance, whereas the Bank Nifty obviously was a little subdued, or you can use the word sector rotations. Perfect. Now let's move ahead for the Nifty and Bank Nifty analysis for the upcoming week. If we start with the Nifty, what happens with the Nifty? 4 days back what I posted that Nifty is trying to break this 14,900 resistance, but again and again after 4 days or 5 days as well it failed to cross. Listen to the words, it failed to cross this resistance. Have a look at this one. 1 2 3 4 5 6 and again 7. It closed at 14,873 and again at 14,834, which means 5-7 times it failed to cross 14,900. Now what is the new resistance for Nifty and Bank Nifty for the short term as in, or not even short term, I should use the word ultra short term, that is 15,000 levels. Have a look at this one. So this is the new resistance for Nifty, 15,000 levels. If Nifty crosses 15,000, then before a movement, or I should use the word a predict rally, would take it to these 15,300. Now it is possible. The reason is number 1, pharma, metal might take a small pause, but the number 3 is IT. After 2 days you will see all the IT stocks this upcoming week declaring the results, starting with TCS, Infi, HCL, Mindtree, Wipro, etc. They would started to declare the results, right? If the results are prominently good enough, this would take the Nifty to this way, a prominent rally, 400 points, 300 points, or even we see a Nifty at a lifetime high as well, 15,500, 15,600. But for that you need a good momentum in Nifty, and not only Nifty, you should use the word Bank Nifty as well. If Bank Nifty is going to support, it would drive the rally momentum faster. So this was the resistance. The first one is 15,000 now, and if it crosses, that would take it prominently to 15,300. Okay, coming to the support levels, coming to the downside, let's have a look at the downside levels. 14,500, or I should use the word 14,450. Have a look this one time, two time, 3, 4, and even this week as well, the new financial year, 5. So these are the 5 times Nifty have tried to take in the support with 14,450, and not to forget the last one. Here we are having a small gap as well. We are having a small gap. You can go to the lower time frame chart and look at this gap as well. So these were the levels for Nifty, and not less than this. What you can do, you can put up a small moving averages as well. We can put up a small moving average, the 51, let's say 101. So Nifty has been trying to take this support. You can see Nifty is hovering around the 50 moving average, but it is very far away from the 100 moving average. But if we go for the Bank Nifty, you will find out the Bank Nifty has already been weakened with this 50 moving average and is now trying to hover around 100 moving average. If this goes down, that would give a drastical fall in the Bank Nifty. That means 100 days being done moving average and trading below the 100 days of moving average. Perfectly fine. Now let's move to the Bank Nifty levels. Okay, so last one, if we see the last candle, this seems to be a shooting star. No doubt it is in downtrend, but that means this was a little weak one. Okay, so what happens in this case when I posted the Bank Nifty levels? These were the quite Bank Nifty levels. This 32,400 levels. Okay, now have a look at this one. One time, two time, three time, and again 4 times, because this closed above, and the last one as well 4 times, 5 times. So 5 times it failed to cross or breach 32,450 levels. If this crosses, you can see there is no dramatical support, and no doubt Bank Nifty would come to fill this unfilled prominent gap, which is almost at a level from starting at 30,800, or I should use 900, to 30,700, which means there would be a dramatical fall if Bank Nifty closes below this level. Or you can use 32,000 is a psychological resistance. Here in Bank Nifty, this is a psychological resistance, 15,000. Here in Bank Nifty, this is 32,000 is a psychological support. If Bank Nifty has to move up, it has to prominently cross this level to make a further beginning. Have a look at this pyramidal box, or you can use the word rectangle. One time, 2, 3, 4. This 34,000 levels have been trying to resist again and again, and almost from 15 calendar days, I mean, right? So these are the levels for Nifty and Bank Nifty. What I would last suggestions, whenever I post a video, whether in Hindi or English or a stock, as I used to post here, stock breakouts, this, Reliance, Vishnu Chemicals, and etc., try to imitate them. Close the video, open up the same chart, try to imitate same videos to get more confidence. The more you draw, the more you know your mistakes. These are the one of the best way to get the confidence in yourself. So coming back to this, these were the analysis of Nifty and Bank Nifty. If you found the video useful, please share with your friends, get more subscribers. Please do share, like, and subscribe. Thank you for watching the video. Lots of love. Stay safe.